We'll guide you through how to get an iPad out of recovery mode. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you purposefully got in here and you want to get out of it, or you accidentally did and you want to. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. And don't worry, you'll keep your data. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead as we guide you through how this is done. So what you want to do is come onto the top of your iPad and go and find the controls here, as we're going to use these in a certain combination to get out of it. So what we're going to do is press this left one, then the right one, and tap and hold it. Let's do that live now. So press the left, the right, and tap and hold the side one. That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively. Keep it held down. Shortly, it's going to go black, as you can see, and you keep it held down. And then when you see the Apple icon, you go and release. The iPad is now going and starting up. So just go and be patient. And when it comes back on, it should just go and be back to normal. But we'll go and guide you through what it looks like. It shouldn't be much longer. Here we are. And you can then swipe up. And that is it. That's how it's done.